Illinois law is aiming to protect people during extreme heat. It bans utility shutoffs when the forecast calls for temperatures above 90 degrees.
Now, Illinois Capitol Bureau Chief Max Cotton takes a look at the law, which took effect with the new year.
Illinoisans will no longer get their utilities shut off when temperatures are forecasted to rise above 90 degrees. A new law requires utility companies to keep people's electric and gas on if the forecast is over 90 or the National Weather Service has issued an excessive heat watch, advisory, or warning.
House Bill 1541 will protect the health and safety of Illinois' most vulnerable residents during extreme heat events.
State Representative Eva Dina Delgado sponsored House Bill 1451 in the House. It was originally an initiative of Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul.
The aim of it is to protect the most vulnerable seniors, children, those with pre-existing conditions that leave them vulnerable to high levels of heat, hypertension, and other things of that nature.
He says state law previously banned shutoffs if forecasts called for temperatures above 95. However, it did not take into account heat index, which can lead to dangerous conditions even if the temperature stays below 95. The bill passed with broad bipartisan support in the state Senate. That wasn't the case in the House. Opponents were concerned about who would pay to keep those utilities on.
I think our concern on our side is that the terminations just push some of the costs on to the rest of your constituents, the rest of the consumers.
Raoul disagrees, saying the cost won't be impactful.
In the balancing act that we do in making public policy, saving lives are more important than a de minimis cost that really won't affect other people.
In Springfield, Max Cotton, WGEM News.
Now, the bill originally called for shutoff preventions when the forecast was greater than 85 degrees. It was later amended to set that limit to 90.